Assalamu alaikum viewers. I am your host Mohammed Zishan. Today our topic is best job posting site for employers. Discover the best job boards for sourcing all kinds of talent. We have compiled a definite list of the best job sites in 2022 for US employers. These sites all deliver great candidate fast, but there are some important differences. We rank them on candidate quality, cost of posting a job, how long it take to get your first candidate, and the overall candidate application experience. Now you can see our full video and tell us on comments now our video is helpful or not for you. Thank you. 21 free job posting sites that are high traffic and 100% free. A comprehensive list of the top free job boards in the US. Free job posting sites allow employers to post jobs for free and still reach a large audience effectively. There are number of truly free job boards posting
that do not
sites.
require.
Now the rank number one is Indeed. Highest traffic job boards in the US allows totally free job posting with the option to boost visibility with pay per click ads. It is often the first place businesses go to post a job ad for free. Now, the second is Google. Google for jobs. Jobs posted online can be included in Google search result if they are formatted correctly. Now, third is Jora. Jora is a relatively new job posting site that is looking to compete with Indeed. The global job board offers employers up to 10 free job posts per month. Now the fourth rank, Handshake. Connect with students and young alumni from over 500 colleges across the US. Now, this site is very interestingly, and the rank number 5 site is Ladder, another great place to list job for free online, offers a free tier as well as paid postings to boost application, much like Indeed. Now, the sixth site is AngelList. Offers for free job posting that reach people in the tech startup world. Now the seventh rank site is LinkedIn. LinkedIn has free and paid posting options. Employees can also conduct a manual search for potential candidates and get in touch with them for free if their network is big enough. LinkedIn is an effective way to hire employees. The eighth number is Check Internship, a US-based free job posting site with a focus on hiring paid interns and interns paid with academic credit. The ninth number is Learn for Good. This free job posting site lets employer post up to 20 jobs for free over 6 months. Employers can post all 20 in one go. Now the number 10 is Post Job Free. As employed by the name, Post Job Free allows employers to advertise their vacancies without charge. As one of the first free job posting sites, it ranked well on Google for many job searches. The 11th number is Simply Hired, and Indeed publishing partner. Simply Hired aggregates job listings from thousands of websites and then distributes them. Employees can also post directly on the site. Now the number 12 is HubStuff Talent. HubStuff Talent is a job board focused on remote hiring. It offers totally free job posting. Now the 13 is Jobvertise. This site won't let employers post free job ads, but it will let them browse up to 3 resumes per day free of charge. The tiered pricing plan allow employers to post job and view more resume. Now the number 14 is Startuppers. Startuppers is a Craigslist style posting site for tech companies. Posting is free and every post is reviewed by a startups employee to prevent spam. And now 15 number is Job Zoom. User can post job in any industry across the US. There are free and paid posting options. And now number 16 is Job Spider. Job Spider is a small job board inspired by Craigslist traffic to this site decreased in 2017, and it is now more of a niche job board. Now the number 17 is Relief Web. Relief Web, a website maintained by the UN, offers free humanitarian job posting. Now the number 18 is Find Jobs Near You. Find Jobs Near You is a general job site that offers free 7-day posting. Find Jobs Near You is a part of the globaljobboard.com network. Now the number 19 is Jobsite. General job sites offering free posting that receive a limited number of views. This site does not require recruitments to register. It offers free access to a resume database. Now the number 20 is jobinventory.com. Jobinventory.com is a totally free general job posting site. Posts don't expire and can be removed once the position is filled. Now the number 21 and the last best job post site is techfetch.com. Techfetch.com focuses on pairing employers with tech talent. The company offers a free 7-day trial. Now, some people questioning us what are the best free job posting sites. The free job posting site, I review all the sites and explain the type of the websites. Indeed, Google Job, Jora, Handshake Letter, AngelList, LinkedIn, Check Internship, Learn for Good. Where can I post job opportunities for free? The list is free opportunities. Now the third question: what are the largest free job posting sites in the USA? Indeed, LinkedIn, Simply Hired, post job free. Now the next question is: are there any free job posting site with no credit card required? Many job free posting sites will ask for a credit card to help with verifying you as a legitimate employee. Indeed and Google for Job do not require a credit card to post a job. Next question is: are there any free job posting site without registration requirement? Yeah, all free job posting sites require you to register and be verified as a legitimate employer. The exact requirements vary for each job board, but the process can be completed in less than 1 day in most cases. Now, next question is: how can I post a job online for free? The quickest way is to use Indeed. They have a very fast approval process during US business. Or simply head to their website and then click on post a job. Do free job board required to pay at some points? Now you can always post your job for free by going to job board like Indeed as well as local state government board. You can also post job for free on social media sites like Facebook and Twitter, and you can add job on your careers page to post to Google for job for free. Thank you.